Hi friends, today we are going to see how to stitch hook and eye to any garment. I have already prepared this two stripe. This is hook putty of blouse. You can see this, on which I am going to show you how to attach hook and make the eye on this stripe. Let's see how to do it. First you have to do marking where you have to attach the hook. I will show you 3 hooks. We attach hook like this. Back side of your garment you have to keep 1 mm inside of your this stripe and start your stitching. From inside only you have to take your thread from down to upward. This way you have to repeat 3 times in one hole. You have to check your all threads are coming properly or not, because we have taken here 4 thread together. I have repeated here 3 times. If you want you can add one more time. Now come this side and do the same process here, and remember you should not take out any thread from back side. 3 times you have to repeat here also. You have to fix this head, go downward. Very little thread you have to take from fabric. It should not come out. You can see this. Sometimes people cut the thread here, but what I feel, if we cut thread here, that threads remain here only and it may look from outside. So I prefer I go inside the fabric and take out the needle from downward and I cut my thread so that it will look finished. Same way we have to attach other 2 hook. I will show you. You can take 1.5 inch gap between 2 hook or as per your requirement. Sometime one small thread come from back side, but if it is matching then there is no issue, but try to avoid this. I'm showing you in contrast color so that you can easily see what I am doing here. You can see our hook is attached. As per the hook, we'll do the marking for eye with the same distance on another stripe. On marking, you have to take out your thread from back side. Repeat it twice in straight position, and from that threads you have to put your needle take it out and take out the needle from loop and give one knot and repeat it till the end. I am inserting here back side of the needle first so that the point of the needle will not harm you. Now insert your needle downward and give the final lock. Back side, take out the thread properly and give the knot and cut the thread. Make another eye same way. Our two eye is ready. Now we'll see the third eye, which is mostly used in western tops, back neck or blouse. Nowadays in ready-made blouses this eye is used. We'll see how to attach this. It's very easy to attach this eye, as you have seen how to attach hook. Same way you have to stitch this also. As a beginner in fashion designing and stitching, it is very necessary to learn how to attach hook and eye. I hope you understand in this tutorial. It will be helpful to you in future. If you like this, like us, subscribe us, and don't forget to share it with your friends, and stay tuned with us for next tutorial. Thank you.